Honey, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get a little ice on it.
Who are you giving ice to?
The little frog, that would help him. I'd help him a little bit.
What happened today? We found Naveen in our fish tank. We found him in the filter, right?
Yeah.
And he's dead?
Yeah, I helped Daddy find him.
Yeah, Daddy couldn't find him, and you helped him find him in the filter, huh? And
yeah, my sure that's him. And it is.
yeah. So,
Poor
poor guy. We're going to have to say goodbye to him, huh?
Why does it have little spots on him?
I don't know, sweetheart. I don't know. Yeah, poor Naveen. We loved our little frog, didn't we? Should we say a few nice words? What did we like about him?
Let's wake up.
What did we like about him? He was funny, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was funny.
And
he had kicky little legs.
he had kicky little legs, and he was very cute, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Are we going to miss him?
Oh.
We're really going to miss you, Naveen. And we were thinking we might get another one, but Zoe said no. Zoe said don't get another one.
Yeah, because that one is going to die too.
Well, yeah, if we get another one, he might die too in the filter. We're afraid our filter is just a little